Okay, so this is paragraph 1 and 2. I marked it because we're going to be doing question number 31. And question number 31 says paragraphs 1 and 2 are mainly about. So in order to do a main idea question, I need to talk about everything that's in whatever part we're looking for the main idea of. So for example, if it's saying the main idea of paragraph 1 and 2, I need to stick to only what's in paragraphs 1 and 2. Paragraph 1 and 2 is about the filmmaker who goes through the airport, sees the firefighters, says, "I want to make a film about you." And it says it tells a remarkable story. Her film tells a remarkable story of these women. Paragraph 2 talks about these women and why they are remarkable, or how they're remarkable, what they do all the time. They put out fires, they carry big burdens. So when I go to the question, which is right here, I can read my answers and say the Apache women have been fighting fires for more than 30 years. It does mention that in one of the paragraphs. Zieg decided to feature the Apache 8 crew in the film. That's mentioned. Zieg had permission to film, had to seek permission, to get permission to film. That's not mentioned at all. The Apache 8 crew encourages girls and young women. That's not mentioned at all. So it's going to be one of these two answers. And what I want to focus on is that we need to find which one is a why. Why? Paragraph 1 and 2 is about the reasons why. Is it about the reasons why the women have been fighting fires? Does it tell me why they fight fires? Is it about why Zieg decided to feature the crew in a film? It is about why she decided to feature them in the film. It doesn't say why they fought fires, it just says they fought fires, but not why they fought fires.